कांत राधाकांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताभिहीनापराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्तश्च कामादि तरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधं अरविन्दनेत्रं स्मरामि राधं मधुरस्मितास्तं वदामि राधं करुणभराद्रं ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुहरगदगदयद्वाचं याचनीपत्येव वीदण्डवदुर्भटार्ते अश्र प्रसादमुदस्य जनास्य गत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणना विधिः। अंगस्यमृविजटामन्वीकृतेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाजो गुरुरोचिषं पट्टम्बरसश्रियं वृन्दारण्यवासमहितरसद्दामनिदामोदरम् राधास्कन्दनिवेशनोज्ज्वलो भुजं ध्यायं मुस्तुदामोदरम्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाय ते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरे गुरुपाद नित्य लीला
Слава моей весенства, мой Гуру Пад Падма, Нитила Прабхусвам Шилпада, Астотарашат, Шимад Бхакти Веданта, Астотарашата Шила Бхакти Веданта, Шила Вамана Госвами Махарадж.
विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सतसमान भक्ति वेदांत नारायण श्री महाराज जी का चरण कमलों में
Anuradha,
अनंत कोटि
can I record from your record?
तत्पश्चात
Your phone?
नित्य लीला प्रविष्टम
Can I
विष्णुपाद
record? Can you give?
अष्टोत्तर सतसमान भक्ति वेदांत।
I want to record translation. If any problem happens, I have backup. Can I? С моим весенством all the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis. It's okay.
आज दिवस सुंदर
Hindi she record.
पवित्र दिवस है।
So please.
ये आज हम लोग
Today is a very pure day, very nice occasion that we are here together early in the morning.
नित्य लाभ विष्णु विष्णु
Since early in the morning.
भक्ति वेदांत
Good? No.
साईं महाराज की तिरुभाव तिथि मनाया।
We are celebrating the disappearance of Srila Swami Maharaj.
जिन्होंने सारा
He
विश्व में
who
महाप्रभु के प्रेम धर्म नाम संकीर्तन धर्म
he preached the holy names and the religion of Mahaprabhu, Prema Dharma,
कल्याण साधन
the religion of love of Mahaprabhu in the whole world. And in this way he benefited all the souls.
स्वयं कहा
Mahaprabhu himself told,
पृथ्वी ते आसे जत नगरादि ग्राम
in all the cities, in all the villages of the
सर्वत्र
earth,
प्रचार
my holy names will be preached everywhere.
पृथ्वी में जितने भी देश है
All the countries and all the villages,
सर्वत्र ही मेरा
everywhere,
नाम
my name
प्रचारित होता
will be preached.
महाप्रभु के जितने गण भी है
So all the associates of Mahaprabhu, all of them,
महाप्रभु की इच्छा को पूर्ति किया
they fulfilled the desires of Mahaprabhu.
रूप गोस्वामी पाद से लेकर के
Rupa Goswami and
विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती
Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pada also.
इसके पश्चात भक्ति
After that also Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur also, Narottama Shyamananda, Srinivas, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
सभी ने महाप्रभु
all
की
of them,
इच्छा को पूर्ति किया
all of them, they fulfilled the inner heart desire,
किंतु
inner heart
काल
desire of Mahaprabhu.
समय के अनुसार
But according to the time, the influence of time, this prema dharma of Mahaprabhu, the preaching of the pure religion of love of Mahaprabhu, was contaminated by Sahajis and Sakibekis.
जिस प्रकार सूर्य
Just like the sun, for example.
सदा सर्वदा
The sun is
प्रकाशमान
always
है,
shining, always.
किंतु तथापि
But
कभी-कभी
sometimes
बादल
the clouds come.
काले
Clouds come, black clouds,
घन
thick and black clouds come, and they
हमारी दृष्टि के अंतराल
cover our angle of vision. They cover our vision of the sun.
फिर
Then
बादल
the clouds, they
फट जाता है
go away,
तब फिर
and then
पुनः सूर्य की
again
किरण
you are able to see
आकर के
the rays of the
सारी दिशा को
sun.
उजाला कर देते हैं
and the rays of the sun illuminate everything.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
So in
काल
the same
की
way,
अनुसार
according to the influence of the
साहित्य
time,
सखी बेटी
Sahajis and Sakibekis,
संप्रदाय लोग
Apa Sampradayas,
आकर के
they
महाप्रभु
come
की
and they
शुद्ध विचारधारा
contaminate or cover the pure line of thought and conceptions of pure bhakti of
नाम
Mahaprabhu.
प्रेम आदि के जो है
Nama Prema,
मानो
this
ढक दिया
Nama Prema,
किंतु
right?
महाप्रभु
The
की
holy names of
अनुगत जन
the,
नित्य परिकर
but the
जन
associates of
पुनः
Mahaprabhu,
आकर
again they
के
come
वह
and
बादल
they
के
remove
प्रसारित
these clouds
करके
from the sky.
दूर करा करके पुनः जो है प्रेम रूपी सूर्य के
And again they make the sun of Prema shine again,
ठीक
once again.
उसी प्रकार भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर
So in the
भक्त्यानंद
same way,
प्रभुपाद
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur and Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada,
के पश्चात उनकी प्रियजन यानी भक्तिवेदांत
so after
प्रभुपाद के
Bhaktivinoda
प्रियजन
Thakur
भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज
came Bhaktisiddhanta, and a very dear associate of Bhaktisiddhanta was Srila Swami Maharaj. He came
पाश्चात्य देशों में
and he preached in the Western countries
महाप्रभु के नाम प्रेम धर्म की
the Nama Prema Dharma of Mahaprabhu, means you can translate like religion of the holy names and the pure love for God of Mahaprabhu.
ऋणी मां
So all people in all world, they are indebted to Srila Swami Maharaj.
विशेष करके पाश्चात्य देशों
Especially
में
in the Western
नाम प्रेम
countries,
धर्म प्रचार करना
to preach the holy names is very hard to preach holy names in Western countries.
पाश्चात्य देशों के
Because the people of Western countries,
कर्मवाद
they are doing so much Bhogvad, Karmavad,
डूबे हुए हैं
full of what tendency to enjoy.
भोगवाद माने
Bhogavad means
ड्रिंक एंड
drink and be merry.
बी मैरिड
Just enjoy your life.
एंजॉय
Be merry means be happy.
भोगवाद में डूबे हुए
Enjoy. So those who are following the Bhogavad means always like hedonism, like always enjoying.
एथिस्ट
And they are completely atheists also, the Westerners.
ऐसे देशों में
So even in this kind of countries, to preach in these countries is something really hard.
भारतवर्ष में लोगों की थोड़ा बहुत
People in India, they are a little bit more,
संस्कार है
Some-
ब्लड में
some samskara, some impressions of religion in their blood.
क्या संस्कार है
Which kind of samskara they have, the Indians?
भगवान की हो भक्त की हो
They have some
भगवान भक्त की पूजा आदि करना
impression of how to give donation, charity, worship God, read sacred books. Naturally, the Indians have taste for these things.
भारतवर्ष की कहा जाता है
Because Bharatavarsha, India, is the place of the rishis. Rishis-thal.
ऋषि स्थल द प्लेस ऑफ ऋषि
So India is the place of the rishis.
इसलिए भारतवर्ष में ये ऋषि स्थल में स्वाभाविक रूप में सभी की खून में
So naturally, in everyone's bloods, in every part of the body of everyone in India, they have some bhakti to God.
स्वाभाविक रूप में ही है।
Naturally, the Indians have
अधिक रूप में हो
More.
अथवा कम
in
हो,
more quantity or less quantity, but whatever,
विचार तो है
they have some.
भले पाश्चात्य देशों की प्रभाव से
by the influence of the Western culture,
ढक जाए,
this may be covered,
किंतु उसके खून में तो
but
है।
it is in their blood. It's in the blood of the Indians.
प्राचीन काल से देव की उपासना से
Like
लेकर के
from ancient times, they're worshipping maybe demigods or
अनेकों प्रकार के
many
दान
kinds of
पुण्य
also
भारत
like
वर्ष
giving
में
donation,
है।
charity. So much this tradition in India.
और ये भारतवर्ष में भगवान की
In India
आविर्भाव
also,
भी दिखा गया।
we see that
जितने
God
भी भगवान
appeared
के
in India,
अवतार
right? All the avatars of God,
भारतवर्ष में ही
they appeared in India. All of them. All the avatars appeared in India.
इसलिए भारतवर्ष की एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य
So
भी दिखाया गया।
India is very special.
इसलिए कहा जाता है भारत भूमि के जन्म होइल जार जन्म सार्थक करी करो।
Paropakar. So if you're born in India, you have to
चैतन्य
do your life
चरितमृत
successful
भारत
and also
भूमि
help
के
others.
जन्म होइल जार,
Chaitanya Charitamrita explains.
जन्म सार्थक करी करो करो। भारतवर्ष में इतना जन्म हुआ, जन्म
So if
सार्थक
you're,
भी करना पड़ेगा।
but you were born in India, okay, but you have to make your life successful. How?
क्या है?
How to make your life successful being born in India? You have to do Hari Bhajan, chant holy names.
भारतवर्ष में जन्म ग्रहण किया,
Okay,
जो
you were born in
नहीं
India,
किया,
but if you're not doing bhajan to God,
व्यर्थ जन्म है।
it's a useless life.
शुकर शुकर
It's just like,
होकर के जन्म लेना अच्छा है।
is it even better be born like a dog or hog? But if you're born as a human and if you didn't do Hari Bhajan,
व्यर्थ जन्म।
it's a useless life. It's in vain.
इसलिए जब भारत भूमि से
So,
जन्म होइल जार जन्म सार्थक
Those who are born in India, they have to make their life
your
successful.
life will be successful if you perform
If you perform
bhajan sadhana to Lord Krishna.
bhajan and sadhana to Lord Krishna,
और your life will be successful if you perform bhajan and sadhana.
your life will be successful if you perform bhajan and sadhana. Otherwise, your life is useless.
So for this regarding this verse, भारत भूमि से जन्म होइल जार जन्म सार्थक करो करी परोपकार। परोपकार, you have to help to others.
And you have to help to others. This is called para upakar.
Live and
Live and let live.
बचो और दूसरे के बचाओ। हैं? बचो और
Live and let live.
हैं? आज कहने की यही तात्पर्य है। ऐसे दिव्य भारतवर्ष में जन्म ग्रहण
So
करके यदि
you are born in this India,
भजन नहीं किया
and if you didn't do Bhagavad
तो
Bhajan,
जन्म व्यर्थ हो।
your life was useless.
क्योंकि हमने पहले कहा कि भारतवर्ष जो
So I
है
told
ऋषि
first,
मुनियों की
India is the place of the rishis and munis,
देवता की देवभूमि भी कहा जाता
also
है।
the place of the demigods and demigoddesses. Dev Bhumi,
भारत
Rishi
की
Bhumi.
देवभूमि कहा जाता है।
It's called Dev Bhumi, Deva Bhumi, land of the demigods. Bhagavatam explains also.
भूरी भूरी प्रशंसा
Srimad
की।
Bhagavatam glorifies so much India.
So many glorified about भारतवर्ष इंडिया।
The Bhagavatam glorifies so much about Bharatavarsha, India.
क्यों मैं यही कहते जा रहा हूँ?
Why I'm saying all this? Because
पाश्चात्य देश और भारत भूमि के
there's a
क्या-
difference between Western countries and India. There's a difference between
What is
them.
the difference between India and Western countries?
And what is this difference? That is what I'm pointing out these differences.
पाश्चात्य देशों के लोग निरीश्वरवादी होते हैं।
The people in the Western countries, they're completely atheists,
And completely
Nirisharavadi,
also absorbed
and completely
enjoying
also
the material
absorbed
things.
in enjoying the sense gratification.
For this regard, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj Pranam Mantra very
For this
clearly
reason,
explains,
in the
Namo
Pranam Mantra of Swami Maharaj explains,
Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Sri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Namini Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Paschatya Desatari Namam Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Sisma Bhakti Vedanta Saminiti Namini नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचार में सरस्वती प्रभुपाद चरण को मैं बार बार प्रणाम करता हूँ और उनकी ही
so by the mercy of Srila Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada,
पाश्चात्य देश
Srila Swami Maharaj was able to preach in the Western
जो
countries.
पाश्चात्य देश
These Western countries that are full of nihilism and atheism,
पाश्चात्य देश कैसे निर्विशेषवाद और शून्यवाद
Nirvisheshvad and Shunyavad.
निर्विशेष और शून्यवाद ऐसे
They think God
पाश्चात्य
has no
देश के
form,
उन्होंने
they
क्या
think
की?
everything is zero,
नाम
nihilism.
प्रेम आदि देकर के
So
सभीयों के
Srila
क्या
Swami Maharaj gave Nama and Prema to everyone and delivered everyone in the Western countries.
पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी पाश्चात्य देश के उन्होंने तारण किया,
He has delivered the Western countries.
उद्धार किया। ऐसे भक्ति वेदांत साईं महाराज की
So this is Srila Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj.
अपराजित जीवन चरित कथा आज प्रातः काल
So
से
today, Srila Swami Maharaj, no sorry, they presented their conceptions according to the West.